secret sauce, lettuce, tomato, grilled chicken with that Colby Jack melted on top, and of course bacon. Boom. Let's make a Chick-fil-A club sandwich. Step one is the chicken breast. I want this pounded out thin so it cooks evenly from tail to the thick part. Now I'm doing this in a vacuum sealed bag because I'm gonna put some pickle juice in here to pickle the chicken. Only the best for us. This is Dad's spicy dill pickle mix. Just gonna pour that juice in there. Just enough to kind of coat it. It doesn't have to be fully submerged because I'm gonna vacuum seal this and it's gonna be entirely coated with it. Now this is gonna sit in pickle brine for at least 2 hours, but honestly you could leave it overnight. Cooking today on the Yoder Smokers YS640S pellet grill. It's running at 425 degrees with hickory pellets. Today we're using our grill to cook the bacon and the chicken on the griddle. It's on the rack. It's my favorite way to cook bacon. This is the rack that we sell at atbbq.com, so go check it out. Let's give the bacon a little more time to render out and crisp up. So after about 15 minutes, still got some bend to it. If you like it crispier, cook it crispier, but I also know that this is gonna firm up as it settles. Now for the special sauce, we get a 1/2 cup of Duke's mayo. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of our jalapeno honey mustard from Big Rick's, and then just a couple tablespoons of Firebug mild, because Chick-fil-A sauce tends to have that sweeter barbecue-y taste. Give it a good mix until it's all incorporated and just let it chill. Back in the grill now, getting the chicken down, throwing down some duck fat so nothing sticks. Pull that chicken right out of its pickle brine. No additional seasoning needed. Now this stuff has been in the brine for hours, probably like 4 hours I would say. So you're really gonna get that pickle flavor right into the middle of the chicken, and you can see how flat it's sitting, which means it's gonna cook really evenly. Just looking for a sear. That looks beautiful right there. That one's getting there. Now we'll cook to an internal temperature of 155. All right, our thin friend is done, 155. We're gonna pull this off. Our thick boy here, we're gonna let him go for just a little bit more. Dunzo. Now we're gonna turn our 2 chicken breasts into 4 chicken sandwiches because these are some hefty breasts. But before we plate this up, I wanna get some cheese on them. So on top now, with the chicken still hot, slice of Colby Jack cheese, back onto the griddle for just a minute just to melt the cheese down. Back on the griddle, which is now cooling down. But it doesn't need to be super hot because we don't need to cook the chicken. What we can do is add some liquid to help this steam. That chicken liquid. A little bit of water. And then throw a pan on top of it to trap that heat. So that's about 30 to 60 seconds. Cheese is melty. These are ready to bun them up. By the way, pro tip, when you make a mess on your griddle, the best time to clean it up is right after you did it, while it's hot and everything moves. Scrape it off the surface and then hit it with some oil when you're done. Let's build them up now. We're using a brioche bun today, even though I think Chick-fil-A typically uses a potato bun, but we don't have potato buns available right now. Sauce on both sides because I'm a saucy boy. Then we put our little leaf barrier here to keep the moisture from leaking through, especially when you've got nice ripe tomatoes. Pop on that grilled chicken with the melty cheese and top it off with some bacon. There it is. Cheesy. It's fresh and refreshing. It's got the fat you need. 1 from the special sauce, 2 from the bacon. The chicken's got just a little tang to it from that pickle brine. And it's tender. It's super tender. Beyond that, you get the freshness out of the lettuce and tomato. It's a beautiful little symphony and a simple chicken sandwich to prepare any night of the week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.